Welcome students, I am Sandeep Kumar from Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we will discuss about architecture of 8085 part 4. In part 4 we will discuss about interrupt and serial control. This is the architecture of 8085. There are interrupts control and serial input output. This block shows the interrupt control. Interrupt control have 5 interrupts, 5 incoming signal RST 5.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5 and trap and INTR. And there is one output signal, that is INTA. Interrupt control unit control these interrupts, and serial input output control serial input data and serial output data. SID and SOD, there are 2 pins. Interrupt control unit, it handle 5 hardware interrupts and a internal, and then it have 5 hardware interrupts and a interrupt acknowledgement signal. 5 interrupts are trap RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR, and one interrupt acknowledgement signal is INTA bar. It is INTA bar. Here I write only INTA. The INTA, it means interrupt acknowledgement. This acknowledgement signal is only for INTR interrupt. The only INTR have an acknowledgement facility, and other trap 7.5, 6.5 and 5.5 interrupts have no any acknowledgement signal. Meaning of the acknowledgement: when microprocessor receive INTR and it respond through INTA that I have received the INTR request. 5 hardware interrupts are the external request signal from external device to the microprocessor. Working of interrupt control unit: when more than one interrupt request arrive at the same time, interrupt control unit accept or reject the interrupt according to the priority. There is a priority set. Trap have highest priority, after that 7.5, after that 6.5, 5.5 and INTR have lowest priority. Then interrupt control unit reject the lower priority interrupt if 2 or more interrupts come at the same time. When user want to disable or enable the interrupts, user have to control interrupts through the control unit that can accept or reject the interrupt. User can disable the interrupt or can enable the interrupts. Interrupt acknowledgement signal is also generated by interrupt control unit. We will discuss in next chapter more detail about interrupts. Serial input output control. This section controls the serial communication part of the microprocessor with external world. Serial communication means when the communication is bit by bit, when it have 2 pin SID and SOD. SID stand for serial input data, used to receive data serially, it means bit by bit, and SOD serial out data, used to transmit data bit by bit, it means serially at a time only one bit can transmit through this port. Okay, thank you.